In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 quick tips to remove background noise from Adobe Premiere Pro videos. So I have a clip open, and in some of my downtime in the clip, you can hear some background noise, like a fan sound. So I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to remove that. First, let's go to the Effects menu. You can find this by going up to Window, Effects, and go under Audio Effects, Noise Reduction, and Denoise. So I'm just going to click and drag Denoise onto my audio, and you can see there's a little FX on top of the audio now. This indicates that that effect has been added. So now if I go up to Effect Controls, you can also find Effect Controls under Window, Effect Controls. If I scroll down, I now see Denoise. And I can click this edit button and I can adjust the denoise amount. I usually try to have it kind of low, like somewhere around 10 to 20%. And now if I go back through this clip, place them all at one time. Sounds a lot better. And another way we can remove the background noise is to use Essential Sound. So go up to Window, Essential Sound, and if you scroll down to Repair and open that menu, you can click Reduce Noise. And you might want to play with the amount of noise reduction and just see what sounds good. Select. That's pretty helpful. Sometimes it can distort your voice just a little bit, so I'm going to make it a little bit lower. You can use a combination of these two. So if you have some really bad audio, you can use the effects and the Essential Sound controls I just showed you. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Adobe and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.